Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to make a private story on Facebook. So before starting this video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So basically what you're gonna have to do, you will just first open up your Snapchat here. Then you need to tap on your profile. Then you need to tap on this gears option, and then basically if you scroll down here, you will see an option here which is saying that let me just show you here. There is an option here basically, just wait. There is an option here for the story settings here. Okay, so privacy policy, and I just so just click on this one, and basically as you can see that there is not a private option here. Okay, so you can basically select your friends, or you can basically select custom friends what that you want to share with the story with. So I will just select this friend here, so my story will be shared with this friend only. Okay, so basically what's I'm gonna have to do basically, that I will just go back here. Okay, and then I will make a story here, I will make a snap, and then basically the next thing, you will go into the next, and then here you can see these different options here. Okay, so then you will just basically click on this option where it says my story, and when you basically click on this option here, it will be shared with the only just one specific friend. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.